Hello viewers, welcome to Dr. Raifin Cycling. So this time my expedition is in Chatpur. As you know that Chatpur is a place for hilsha fish. So I went there to consume hilsha as well as to bring some for my family members. So the travel consists of two parts. One is through the water vehicle, through the river, and another is my cycling. So without further discussions, let's jump into the actions. Cycling in Chatpur and Chatpur expeditions for hilsha fish. So thank you very much and stay with us. Hello viewers, welcome to Dr. Raifin Cycling. As you see that I have now embarked into the launch, that is a water vehicle that will travel from Dhaka to Chatpur. The distance will be around 100 plus kilometers. This is a combination of journey through the river and then the cycling. I think it will be an enjoyable one. Thank you. Ripping through the river of Buriganga. So this river is said to be polluted, and on the both sides you see different types of establishments there. So now I am sitting in my cabin, just spending time. After some time, I may have a nap, so that I get refreshed and start my cycling after going to Chatpur. Thank you. Now I am in Chatpur. This is my hotel here. Now what I am going to do is we'll just straightforward we'll go to a place called Bodo Station. That is a place at the bank of the river where we try to spend some time, and then the next expeditions will be to purchase the hilsha fish, for which we have come here, and this Chatpur is famous for that. So please stay with us. Thank you. We have started the ride. So after starting the ride, you see here the river is here. So viewers, you see that I have stopped here. This is a view near the border stations where the whole river view is here. The river appears to be rough. You know that there are three different rivers: Podda, Meghna, and Dakatia. So now you see the very vast area of the river. If you move to the opposite side of the river, you will get one beach-like area called Mini Cox Bazar. But we are not going there because the river is in a very unrest conditions here. So viewers, now I am standing by the brink of the river. So here you see a small boy is here. He has helped me to shoot some pictures. So I was talking with him. তোমার নাম কি বাবা? Minhaz. So his name is Minhaz. কোন ক্লাসে পড়ো? In which class do you read? 5. 5A. So he is studying in class 5, and I wish him all the best. তো তুমি পড়াশোনা করে বড় হও, ঠিক আছে? আশা করি এটা চাই। তুমি কিছু বলবে? You want to say anything? He asked a lot of questions regarding my cycle, but now I have pacified him by giving answers of all his questions. So ভালো থেকো বাবা. Thank you. Started the ride again. So viewers, now we are approaching towards Horina Ghat, which is a place for Hilsha fish shopping. Now this is the early part of the morning, so people are still within their house. People are still within their houses. It's relatively the outskirts of the city, so the lifestyle will be a little bit different than that of the urban areas. So approaching towards the Horina Ghat, a wholesale market for Hilsha. This year the price of Hilsha is higher, and we don't know what will be the quality and price of the Hilsha fish there, but hope to get some good deal and then we'll come back. So now I'm running through a road which is deserted, no traffic within the village. That's fine, but the problem is the road quality. You see that the road appears to be smooth, but actually there are a lot of small ups and downs. We are closer to the destination. I am now in Horina Ghat. That is a ferry terminal from where people move to southern part of the country. Some of the people are there which we have set to bargain. So we are waiting here. If I show you the wholesale market, it is a very smaller one. Just the shanty structure is here, just opposite side the road. So that is the very small market. And as this is a ferry terminal area, so fish are brought here through the river channels. Thank you. So this is very common phenomena in the restaurants. You see the paratha are being prepared here. So I have already consumed two of this paratha without any oil. I enjoyed that one because when do we cycle, then avoiding oil is better for us. So viewers, now we are going back to Jatpur town. We have Alhamdulillah purchased a number of fishes. But the price was a little bit higher, not as per our expectations. But however, we purchased. We will take these fishes to Dhaka through cock sheets filled up with ice so that it remains unaltered and okay for consumption. So viewers, I think that we have enjoyed the ride and the total expeditions. We purchased a number of Hilsha fishes and then we came back. So my suggestion is that though the price was a little bit higher, but the Hilsha were tasty and we really enjoyed consuming the Hilsha. So I think that is the end of my session today. Inshallah, in the future, we'll come back with more exciting cycling videos for you. So stay with us in the future, and I look forward for another exciting cycling within a short period of time. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.